Hey there, it's been a while, but we have a new fully packed version ready for you to download. Here is a sneak peek of what is waiting for you in DIALux Evo 11. As of now, it is possible to easily calculate the energy demand and the savings potential of a lighting system with daylight control. With the placement of the luminaires, an energy tachometer is displayed showing the current energy demand and the estimated savings potential. When we now move over to the new energy saving tool, you can see all the information of the usage profile that is necessary for the energy calculation. It is here where you can also perform the action of placing a sensor measuring point. Use the checklist below and see whether the requirements for a daylight controlled lighting system are fulfilled. For instance, have windows been included in the room? Then start the calculation. This is based on an hourly calculation method, which means that all 8,760 hours of a year are calculated, and this happens very fast. After that, you will find detailed results like the lineae or the costs in euro in the results monitor on the right side. In addition to that, you get a detailed overview with the results of the yearly as well as daily and hourly costs in these diagrams. For further information on how to use this feature, just check out the tutorial on how to save energy with DIALux Evo 11. We also included the latest edition of EN 12464-1 into this release. You can now choose between the previous version of the standard from 2011 and the new one from 2021. Both standards work in parallel side by side. This ensures that DIALux does not change normative settings when loading projects from the 2011 version. The tables from section 7 of the standard are of course included in DIALux. We also have some good news for lighting designers in Italy. With DIALux Evo 11, it is now possible to calculate ratings additionally with EPEA and EPEI. You can now simply add them by using the checkbox. The results are of course also shown in the documentation. Also new in DIALux Evo 11 is the possibility to save your self-constructed furniture or other objects. Furniture files have their own file format and can be exchanged with other DIALux users. In addition to that, there is now a search and filter option for objects. By right-clicking or using the actions in the bottom section, furniture can be loaded into the catalog or saved from it. The documentation of dimming values and control groups is back. As of now, DIALux will document this topic graphically. For each control group there is a plan in which all associated luminaires are marked, so you can easily identify which luminaires are controlled or dimmed together. This is supplemented by a table with dimming values. It shows per control group the dimming states depending on the light scene. Another new addition is the DIALux ID. If you want to work with DIALux, you should register with us. Simply follow along the registration process in DIALux itself and get access to new services in the future with the DIALux ID. Get one ID for all DIALux services.